Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have January's Ipsy. So Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription. They send you 5 products ranging from sample to full size. It's $12 a month. You can go up and get the Glam Bag Plus, which is 5 full-size items for $25, or you can get the Glam Bag X, which is seasonally. It's got 7 to 8 products. It's curated by a celebrity. I think the next one is gonna be, oh, who was it? Let me look it up. The next one is going to be curated by Addison Rae. So it's gonna be like all of her favorite products. The last one we got was Huda Beauty. I really liked that. So we're gonna see what that one is like. And did I tell you how much it cost? It's $55. That's every 3 months would be $55. And it's normally worth over $350. So now that you know all that good information, and as always, there is links below. I have 2 different accounts, so there's 2 different links, but you can click on either one of those and it does give me a little credit if you decide you want to try Ipsy. And I do appreciate that if you use my links because it does help me to keep bringing you content. So let's get on with what's inside my bag. Okay, hang on. The brush fell out of its little baggie. I think that's everything. Okay. So there's a brush in there. Looks like a concealer brush. Woo. Look at this bag, y'all. Oh, the boho girl in me is going, yay, hippie. Look at that. So cute. Get the card out. Happy vibes this month and year. Make time for the things that make you smile. Soft pastel shadows, your favorite podcast, DIY, manis. Oh, I need to do those. When you invest in bliss, the world becomes a better place. Okay. January 2022. Oh, okay, I still can't believe it's 2022, y'all. 2022. Okay, so inside the bag is nothing real special. They stopped doing the Ipsy tag on the inside, but it is right there saying Ipsy. Still cute. 3 things to bring the happy. Glam Bag X is coming in February. It's packed with swoon-worthy brands like Item Beauty, Pat McGrath Labs, yay, benifitcosmetics, yay, and Stella. So upgrade and snag 8 full-size favorites. You get to choose 3 worth up to $500 for only $55. Head to ipsy.com GBX to secure yours. A second thing is get a free monthly Ipsy limited time only. Refer 3 friends this month and get a month of Ipsy free. Okay, y'all, 3 of y'all, will y'all use my link so I can get a free one? Peace. Send your friend your unique code that is down below. More items for them and you. And 3, win an epic haul. Share how you spread happiness by tagging at Ipsy or hashtag ipsyhappyvibes. Hashtag giveaway for a chance to win every product in January's Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus assortment. Ooh, fun. Okay. So in here, that's all the products. These 5 new Glam Bag products valued at $50 plus are guaranteed to brighten your day. So the first thing I see is this benifitcosmetics. This is POREfessional Light Primer. Not professional, POREfessional. I don't know if I said it right. This is the Light Primer. Have I used the Light Primer before? I've got the Hydrate Primer and I've got the regular Pore Primer, but I haven't tried this Light Primer before. Okay. Can you tell I like this brand? It's got the same skin smoothing and makeup gripping benefits as the OG POREfessional Primer, but with a super lightweight feel. The water-based formula provides an immediate cooling, hydrating, and blurring effects that you'll love. Tip, after moisturizing, smooth on a thin layer of this primer and press it into your skin. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of a full-size version is $32. So the other ones I think are silicone based, and this one is water based. So interesting. You're gonna have to open it up. Laughter is the best cosmetic. Okay. So yeah, it's little pink thing. Oh, it blurred. It really blurred. Okay, yeah, I like this stuff. I'm curious to try this one out. Oh, it really blurred the back of my hand. Oh man, I love this stuff. I hadn't been using it as much because it wasn't meshing well with the foundation I had. But, ooh. Man, I love that blurring effect. I got some big old gigantic pores, y'all. I like to cover them things up. Yes, love that. All right, the next thing on my list here is in this little bubble wrap. We like it when things come in bubble wrap. Ooh, how pretty. All right. Oh, gosh. Okay, what is it? What is it? It is the BELLE and ARGENT Glitzy Rose Eyeshadow Duo in Edit and Flash. Looking for something to spark your creativity? You're in for a treat. This glitzy pearl and rose eyeshadow duo complements all eye colors and is versatile enough to wear from day to night. Plus, it's infused with argan and jojoba oils, so it's good for your skin too. Tip, apply using fingertips or eyeshadow brush. MSRP on the full-size product is $30. This is a deluxe sample. So let's just... Pretty. Ooh. Very, very pretty. Oh my goodness. It's a shimmery loveliness. Okay. Like that. All right, here we go. We're getting to the HIPDOT Precise brush. Look at that brush. Ooh, look at the precision there. I haven't had a HIPDOT brush before. Made with ultra soft, high quality bristles, this makeup brush will help you add detail to your look with precision. Use it with your favorite powder, cream, or liquid makeup product for a smooth, streak-free finish. P.S. It's vegan and cruelty-free too. Tip, clean your brush weekly with gentle soap and warm water, then lay them flat to dry. This is a full-size product. It is worth $12. Heard some people use like baby shampoo to clean their brushes. Now I have been buying the expensive soap stuff to clean my brushes with, and I, am really particular about, not getting the water past this point, and, so it doesn't mess up my brushes and stuff. What do y'all do? How do you clean them? What do you use? I want to know. The next thing is this honeyjarret lip sleeping mask in lemon honey. Okay. And another one of those that really doesn't look like it should have a lot in it. It is a deluxe sample. Winter weather can wreak havoc on lips, which is why we can't stop using this nourishing overnight treatment. It deeply hydrates and helps restore lips while you sleep, so you're smooth, plump, and flake-free come morning. Tip, apply a thick layer to clean lips before bed to help lock in moisture while you sleep. The MSRP on a full size of this product is $12. I don't know about putting lemon on my lips before I sleep. It seems like that would be refreshing, wake you up. I don't know. Yeah, there certainly can't be a bunch in here. Woo, there it is. I found it. It's in there. Can y'all see that? And it is thick, and it does feel kind of sticky. And, I mean, it's not a strong lemon, but you can smell the lemon in there mixed with the honey. It's a little weird. I don't know. I have to put it on my lips to see, but first impression of that one, not my favorite. Okay, one more product. The last thing I am excited about because I love Purlisse. This is Purlisse Beauty. Oh, I love Purlisse. This is Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream SPF 40 in Fair. This multitasking BB cream is made for hectic mornings. The lightweight formula blends like a dream, protects skin with SPF 40, and helps cover everything from dark spots to redness. Plus, it's infused with skin-loving ingredients like bakuchiol, vitamin C, and plant-based collagen too. Tip: dot it on your forehead, nose, cheek, and chin to blend with a damp beauty sponge. Okay, so they want you to blend this one with the damp beauty sponge. I like it when they tell you that, because some of the creams and things, they're too thin for a sponge, even when it's damp, you know, and you need to really use your hands or a brush or something else. But yeah, they actually told you to use a sponge with it. So this is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of full size is $38. I'm not gonna open that one because I own the actual thing. It's in the same color and everything. It's in Fair. Yeah, so I'll show you mine. And y'all, what I do a lot of times is I mix this one with this one because this one is just a little bit darker and it just gives me a little more of my match. So yeah, I do mix products. One is the Ageless Glow, one is Perfect Glow. Same difference. But this is the one I got in my box. That's the other one. And that's them mixed together. So yes, I do like the stuff. Let me know what you think. What did you think of this month's Ipsy? I mean, you know, the products are small, but you do get the full-size brush, the Purlisse, which is great. This stuff, which is expensive, even though it's a little bottle, it will go a long way. Especially if you're only putting it like right in your T-zone where you have issues, it'll go a long way. And then you have the eyeshadow duo, which is cute, and the bag. What do you think? Was it worth $12? I think so. I mean, I do want to hear y'all's opinion and what y'all like and don't like and all that good stuff. What you would like to see Ipsy send next. Anything you want to put, comment below. I love to hear it. I love to read all y'all's comments. I'm sorry my kitty is in my eye. She's just out cold on the bed. I don't know. I guess she wore herself out with her toy. Y'all, don't forget, I would really love it if you push all those buttons below. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. Encourage them to subscribe as well. Trying to get those numbers up there, y'all. I have been up to 700 and then I go back down. Then I get up there again and then I go back down. It's so depressing when they take those few off. I have no idea what the deal is, but man, I want to do my 700 giveaway. And what I was going to do is, since I didn't do a 600, I was going to do a double giveaway and do a gift card and a mail gift. So 600 and 700. So let's get us there. So share with your friends, tell everybody to subscribe and watch the videos, give them thumbs up and press that notification bell so you know when I put out new videos. Y'all, thanks so very much. Have a wonderful day and God bless.